Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you how to change these bulbs up here in this overhead console. You know, a lot of people might think that you pry this out because that's how most overhead console lights come out. But that's not true. I learned that the hard way a couple years ago. I tried prying this out, breaking it, ended up having to replace the whole unit. So let me go ahead and show you how. First off, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Here you're going to see a hole, and in that hole is going to be a Phillips head, just like that. And it's going to come right out of there. So go ahead, unscrew that, and once you unscrew it, you're going to have to pull down a little bit, like that, and then you're going to have to pull a little harder here, and that's what's holding it in, is two clips that go in right there and right there. So don't worry, you're not going to break it. Just pull a little firm and you should be able to get it right out. And then as you can see, the bulbs are right there, 1 and 2, and you see these little clips, you're gonna have to pry those over. Let me show you how. So take whatever you got and just pry it right over. When you get one side, the other will come. Alright, and then just pull her out like so. And for the bulb, just gotta yank her out like that. Now, if you want a really bright light, I'm gonna suggest to buy these right here. These are called Last Fit T. I can't remember exactly. I'll put it in the description. But basically, they're the wedge, as you can see. These lights are so bright and reliable. It's literally gonna make your car have a brand new feeling to it. So go ahead and just put it in the same way you took it out and test it. Whoa, look at that. I promise you, your car is gonna feel like a brand new car once you put these bulbs in. I had these bulbs here, and they're so cheap or weak that they won't even barely turn on if the vehicle's not on. And as you can see, these shine just as bright if the vehicle isn't on. Anyways, just want to thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Check out my channel for lots and lots of Jeep Grand Cherokee related videos. Have tons and tons of good stuff on there. Have a good one.